Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. You will now see various different options that you can change. From the left side, go into the language menu at the very end, and now you will see both your text as well as audio language. To change your audio language, you will need to use the second drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu and you can now see the 4 different languages that are available. To change into any language, you can simply click on it and you will be told that the game will need to restart. In order to apply this change, tap on the OK button and restart the game, and your chosen audio language will be applied right away. You can go back to this menu at any point of time to once again switch your language whenever you wish. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your audio language on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.